and how growth hormone can make your training explode. Keep watching and learn the facts of fitness. It's finally happened. You're tired of looking in the mirror and realizing the toll that aging, combined with inactivity and lack of physical fitness, has taken. The ever so slow increase of flab, muscle weakness, sagging, wrinkled, weathered skin, a receding hairline, and other effects of the disease of aging. If the above symptoms weren't severe enough, there are also some uninvited guests crashing your party. Joint aches and pains, inability to enjoy a night of deep restorative sleep, constant fatigue, brain fog, depression, and more. At first, they are almost imperceptible, but as time goes by, they can't be ignored. Like a room full of cackling hens, they become increasingly obnoxious. It's not that you can't put up with them, but why should you? Why let them destroy your quality of life? Perhaps you arrived at the conclusion that aging's parade of horrors does not have to debilitate you. You have finally realized that you don't have to be a helpless victim, and you have decided to take action. To paraphrase a popular quote, you're, quote, mad as hell, and you are not going to take it no more, end quote. At our clinic, you will receive the most up-to-date, cutting-edge treatment in human growth hormone replacement therapy. Our trained medical professionals will provide you with a powerful tool in your anti-aging arsenal to restore your youthful hormone levels and bring back the vigor and zest for the life that has been missing for all too long. Simply follow the directions of our anti-aging physicians and watch the astonishing results. As powerful as growth hormone replacement therapy is, it is even more effective combined with a physical fitness program. We will give you specific recommendations that will not be a cookie-cutter approach. The program we design for you will be tailor-made to your current physical condition, your goals, and your lifestyle. Before we go any further, here's a quick overview of the effects of inactivity and a break in training. This can be due to some lifestyle factors as well as aging. The key takeaway is this: the more you know, the more motivated you will be to resume a fitness routine. Also, this knowledge will give you the confidence that you are on the right track to regain much of your lost fitness condition, regardless of how long you have been inactive. Sarcopenia is defined as the loss of muscle tissue as a natural part of the aging process. In more technical medical terms, sarcopenia is defined as loss of skeletal muscle mass and function. It is not just a disease that affects the elderly. Younger people can also suffer from it as well due to forced inactivity due to accidents or illness. But as with all things, it is far more common among older people. This often occurs when the demands of life priorities and a loss of energy overwhelm us as we age. Consequently, many neglect physical fitness entirely or do not train their bodies nearly enough to maintain any semblance of conditioning. The answer is straightforward. Your body quits its muscle-building duties. How fast this happens varies among individuals. Some well-conditioned folks can maintain their strength for longer periods than perpetual couch potatoes. But for most, muscles shrink quicker than the time it took to build them. Even if you can't maintain your regular training, there are ways to help halt the process. Detraining is the technical term for muscle loss after you stop training. Remember this fundamental fitness truth: the body will only grow and become stronger due to being forced to adapt to the increased demands and workload due to the stress of working out. The body experiences an increase in the production of muscle-building enzymes. Stop training equals no more muscle-building enzymes, and your muscles weaken and shrink. There are two huge factors that determine how fast your strength and conditioning will drop: what kind of shape you're in, and how long have you been training and conditioning your body. If you have been training on a regular basis for quite some time and are in decent shape, you should be able to maintain your gains longer than someone who has been inactive or had just begun to exercise. According to a Columbia University study, If you've only been training for a few months, your muscles will atrophy, shrivel quickly, and your fitness gains can be entirely erased. This can happen in as little as 2 to 6 weeks. However, in a strange quirk to what I previously said, a study concluded that highly trained competitive athletes lose more strength, muscle mass, and conditioning than more casual recreational athletes. This paradox was first reported in a 2005 Journal of Applied Physiology article, which concluded that competitive athletes experienced muscle atrophy in as little as 2 weeks of inactivity. By contrast, recreational athletes delayed the same amount of deconditioning for as long as 12 weeks. The study concluded that the reason might be the higher fitness levels of the competitive athletes. Still more evidence of this strange contradiction was reported in the book Physiology of Sport and Exercise, which claimed that it took up to 31 weeks, not 12 weeks, before recreational athletes experienced a decrease in strength. Regardless of what shape you're in and how long you've been inactive, it pays to get moving, and do it now. Even if you are out of shape, we will lay out a fitness blueprint to reverse this destructive course. You can start by walking or working out in a pool, and gradually increase your exercise intensity. So there you have it, the total comprehensive program to attack aging with the most powerful weapons available. By combining growth hormone replacement therapy with a well-balanced fitness routine, your increased strength, cardiovascular capacity, flexibility, balance, and fluidity will result in a seemingly magical transformation that must be experienced to be believed. But it can't happen by merely thinking about it. None of this is possible without contacting us. Don't let old man aging establish a stronger and deeper beachhead than it already has. Do something about it. Don't let another day go by. Contact us now. If you found this video informative, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. To learn more about health and wellness regarding hormone replacement therapy, please click the link below in the description.